Hello, Professor. My name is Phúc, and
My name is Hoa.
today my team will present about the final process, a simple mathematical calculator. The process includes six functionalities called manage the precision using variable, managing error, keeping track of the last value, and storing variables. The outline includes five topics: the requirements of process, the mathematical expression, the handle variable and keyword, the set variable in a file, and set the work. The first I go to the mathematical expression. The first step to evaluate an expression in SMAC is to do the lexical parsing of the input string provided by the user. It needs to classify token and tokenizer. Then you are to analyze the stream of tokens to check if the expression or command input by the user is valid. If this token is a number or an open parenthesis, process the mathematical expression. If that identifier is available or the keyword last process the calculate. If that identifier is a keyword, I do command, and if none of previous case apply, then it must be a syntax uh, error. The algorithm of the mathematical expression is using two step, one step of number and one step for operator and parenthesis. I click the lock to read string input while the operator step is not empty. I have four steps to calculate. The first pop the operator from operator stop. The second pops the value stop one or twice, getting one or two operands depending on the arity. The third applies the operator to the operand in the correct order, and the last is first to result onto the value stop.
Next, I will show you how to handle variables and keywords. Uh, First, at the beginning, we can see there are two classes separately. The first one called token, and the second is tokenizer. Going deeply, we can see in token CPP file, we can see there are various of command um, that we might get from the user. And in tokenizer, it we there are function that separate the command and the token, and then executing the command. Also in tokenizer, we have a function to identify the keyword, and corresponding that we call the correct function and do the work of the command. Uh, Third problem is storing variables. After we calculate or execute the command, we must save the variable. So the method in here, I use map. I declare a variable with map. The map content can a pair of a string with variable and the double and with that variable we run a loop, a for loop, uh, create uh, a file to store the variable we want to save. Let's have file txt file in run after we loop we read. We use upstream to open the file we created and store the data we want to save. And uh, at the end we announcing that the data is stored.
And the last part is share the work between I and Hoàng. Both of us think the idea and so process. I make the slide and connect to evaluation, and Hoàng test the problem and make the program work. Uh, at the end, the final project of my team. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.